Gold against US dollar yesterday has created this bearish candle with a bearish body with a large wick on the bottom side, and the upper side there is nothing. Just very small wick. So we can say that there was only activity from yesterday that the price has gone down. Currently we have a price right in between 2550 resistance and 2450.58 support level, and the price is trying to move its way somehow in any direction. The week before has closed with this bullish candle, which means that this is a bullish breakout. So there is an option that there is price could go down all the way back down to 2450.58 just to confirm previous resistance, now acting as a support. Will this happen? This is something that we need to watch on the daily basis. For now we can see that the price has tried to move down, and currently it is forming this small bearish candle with a wick on the upper side and currently forming a small body on the down. What I'm expecting currently, there is a high probability from my side, what I can see, and that is something that I will confirm on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, where I have much more clear information with a bigger picture. What are the support and the resistance levels? What will the price do? So for now, what I'm expecting, there is a high probability that the price could go all the way back down to 2472.20. We can see that as support and resistance. Here a small one where the price had problems in the past going up, but then it has reversed back down, and then after the breakout has happened, the price has gone all the way back up. Now we can see that yesterday candle this week has gone down to the first support, and which is right here, very close to this one, where the high of this week is. Then the second one is this one here, 2479.59. Then we have this one, 2477, and then we have this one, 2472. So this is something that there is what I'm expecting that the price will do. But if the price goes above 2509.14, it will be a bullish breakout again, where the price will try to move higher, reaching very close to 2550.00 at resistance level. Now, for much more clear information, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, where I have much more clear information of what are the support and the resistance levels on the 4-hour time frame. And when the breakout happens, if the price goes down, I will see where the price could stop. Is this 2472 or some other price level? This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.